Hello friends, I am Swati. Welcome you all to Aspiration for Learning. After prelims 2022, I was a little bit discouraged. So again come back to study. I want to take a challenge, that is 21-day study challenge, and today is the first day of this challenge. So this is the first slot of the day and I am starting from 10 a.m. in the morning because I was taking English class for class 12th. After taking 5 minutes break, this is the second slot and I am solving daily quiz from Insight IAS. As we all know that I am religiously following Insight IAS daily timetable and their initiative also. As per their schedule, I am studying nowadays world geography, and this quiz or MCQs based on world geography itself, and within that I am completing my NCERT geography from 11th 12th and making notes out of that also. Now the time is 1:30 p.m. This is lunch time, but as I am fasting today, after taking some rest, I have come to the study again and I am completing today's target from NCERT World Geography. At first I studied the topics from Google and then I come to the NCERT and complete this, but I didn't make notes out of that because I completed two topics, that is today's targets and next day's target. As I completed the study, so next day I will complete the note making, but I didn't attempt any questions from previous year's question paper, neither from prelims questions nor from mains questions also. After completing these topics, I am feeling so tired and thirsty also, feeling sleepy. So let's take some rest. After taking rest, now I am going to complete today's targets from my optional paper, that is psychology. And now the time is 4 p.m. in the evening and I have to go tuition in 6 p.m. in the evening, so I have 2 hours to study this. Let's complete this slot. After that I have to go to tuition. So now I have completed. This is the first day of 21 days challenge, and though I didn't complete my targets for today, but I did my best. I gave my best to this. From next day onward, I will try to complete my daily targets, and from today, I will give you day-to-day update also about this challenge. So stay tuned, stay focused, and give your all to this preparation. Thanks for watching.